Hello everybody and welcome to my shop. Today we're gonna keep going on my folding table for the laundry room. Last time we saw the concept of the table folding up and down, attached to the wall, the creation of a plywood frame which will be the backbone of the table, the pre-dimensioning of the exotic wood which will be covering the frame. We cut the boards to rough length. We join one face and one edge. We cut to 3-inch thickness. We resawn all the boards to rough thickness. And we starting gluing the boards up to the frame. This is where we left off last time. Today we'll keep going in this build again. As I told you last time, I don't have very much time because of my day job. So I know it's slow, but we are making progress, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm going as fast as I can, but it is what it is, right? Anyways, let's go and work on part 2 of this build. So we're gonna start by sanding the entire panel at the grand sander. Takes a while because I resawn some pieces way too thick. I can't believe how much dust this thing just creates. I'm amazed by the surface finish of this thing. It's crazy. I love this machine. So let's take this to the table and keep working. I made this simple shooting board here to be able to cut 45 degrees because the pieces are too small to be cut safely on any of my machines. I don't want to put my fingers close to the blade, so I'm using this here. It's fairly easy. It's a stop here, that's 3/4 inch plywood, a base plate that's also 3/4 inch plywood, another plate which is glued and nailed on top with a 45-degree angle, and a backer. The backer, you see here, it's rough and rough, but I jointed and cut 45 degrees here. You just hook it to your bench like this and go to town. So you see there's already one 45 degree on here which was cut with the table saw because the pieces were long enough for me to hold the piece, but these are way too small. But with a hand plane like this, so that's this one is a Stanley 4.5, which rides here on the fence here and on the guide there, and you just put your piece like this and go to town. Let me show you closer, but it works easy. See, here start making, let me put you closer so you can see me start making a 45-degree chamfer. It's a perfect one too. Not there yet, but it's coming. Getting close. So here are some small corner pieces. Let's glue them to a table now. I hope you enjoyed this second part of this build where we finished putting together the first side of the table. So at this point I already have lessons learned from the first side of the table. If I had to do it again, and I will because I have to do the bottom side, I'll do it different. Leaving the boards to rough thickness made it more difficult than it could have been. Next time I will make sure all the boards are just a smidge above the final thickness. It will be much easier, especially to create the miters for the corners. It left some gaps we'll have to take care of during the next video. So we'll fix all the mistakes in the next one. Well, that's it for now. I know it's not done, but we're making progress, and I'll keep you updated as soon as I can. For now, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you later.